Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Quickbooks, a comprehensive accounting software designed to help you manage your business finances efficiently. To begin, ensure you have installed Quickbooks on your computer and have a valid license key. Launch the application and click on the Start Setup button to initiate the setup process. First, you will be prompted to choose your industry, as this will help Quickbooks tailor the setup process to your specific needs. Select your industry from the list provided, and then click Next. Next, you will need to set up your company file by providing basic information such as your company name, address, and contact details. Ensure this information is accurate, as it will be used on invoices and other financial documents. After setting up your company file, you will be asked to set up your accounting preferences, including your accounting method, fiscal year, and tax year. Choose the accrual or cash basis accounting method, depending on your business needs, and specify your fiscal year and tax year. Now, you will need to set up your users and passwords. Create a username and password for the administrator and set up additional users as needed. Ensure that each user has the appropriate permissions and access levels. The next step is to connect your bank accounts to Quickbooks. This will enable you to track your income and expenses, reconcile your accounts, and generate accurate financial statements. You can connect your bank accounts manually or through online banking. Finally, set up your items and services, including products, services, and inventory items. This will enable you to track your sales, inventory, and cost of goods sold. Ensure that each item is correctly categorized and priced. By following these steps, you will have successfully set up your Quickbooks and be ready to start managing your business finances. Remember to regularly back up your data, reconcile your accounts, and review your financial statements to ensure the accuracy and integrity of your financial data.